The retirement math nobody warned us about. Why are so many people reaching retirement age and discovering the numbers don't work? For decades, many Americans were told that Social Security savings and a pension would provide a comfortable retirement. Today, rising costs, inflation, healthcare expenses, and longer life expectancy have changed the equation. In this video, I talk about the retirement math that many people never saw coming and what you can do if you're worried about your financial future. If retirement feels farther away than you expected, you're not alone. Hi, everyone. I'm Holly. I want to ask you something. Have you ever sat down and looked at your finances and thought, wait a minute, this math isn't working? Because that's exactly what many people are discovering lately. For years, most of us were taught a fairly simple formula. Work hard, pay all your bills, save when you can, contribute to retirement, collect Social Security, enjoy retirement. Sounds reasonable, right? The problem is that nobody told us how dramatically the numbers would change. Groceries that once cost about $100 now cost several $100s more. Insurance premiums keep increasing. Property taxes, oh my goodness, keep rising. Medical costs continue climbing, skyrocketing, I should say. Even basic necessities seem more expensive every year. Meanwhile, many retirement incomes haven't increased at the same pace. And that's where people begin feeling trapped. Not because they failed, not because they didn't prepare, because the rules changed. Imagine trying to hit a target that keeps moving farther away every year. That's what retirement can feel like today. Many people discover they don't have an income problem. They have a math problem. The monthly expenses simply grew faster than the monthly income. And that realization can be extremely frightening. But here's the encouraging part. The solution isn't always cutting more. Most people have already cut enough. The solution may be creating more options, more flexibility, more income streams, more ways to adapt to a changing world. I think one of the biggest retirement myths is that everything should already be figured out by a certain age. Life doesn't work that way. Some people start businesses at 65. Some reinvent themselves at 70, like myself. Some discover completely new opportunities after retirement age. The people who thrive aren't always the people with the biggest retirement accounts. Often, they're the people who remain adaptable, the people willing to learn, the people willing to try something new. If you're worried about retirement, don't let that fear convince you that you're out of options, because honestly, you're not. The math may have changed, but your ability to change with it hasn't. And that could make all the difference in the world. If this message resonates with you, leave a comment below and let me know what concerns you most about retirement today. And if you're looking for new ideas and opportunities, check out the resources below. They'll be in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to watch next. Nobody talks about this financial fear. The people who adapt to change often do better than those who simply hope things return to the way they used to be.